Hi guys, and welcome to today's intraday trade analysis video for the day. So today we have traded on Tata Consumer according to my study and the strategy. So we trade without any indicators based on my unique strategy. So I'll be talking about the trade what we have done today, and also we'll be doing a little bit of Nifty 50 analysis, how it performed for the day, how was the pre-opening, and how the indices has been performed. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay. So today we have traded on Tata Consumer Stock. Okay. So this was the trade what I have taken according to my study and the strategy. So we bought the stock in the morning around 1083 to 1084 levels. Okay. So this was a buying trade for the day and it was an intraday trade. So we bought it around here around 1083 in the morning around 9:23 a.m. Okay, so this was where the buy was triggered in the morning, and you can see here the whole day the stock has gone up. Okay, so the buy was triggered around 1083, and you can see the high point made is 1104 for the day. But anyway, by following my study and the strategy and my discipline, I kept my target up to 5 to 6 points and I've taken my exit. So this trade was done within like 15 minutes for the day. Within 10 o'clock, the trade was almost complete and the target was hit. Okay, so you can see here around 9:45 itself, the stock has touched a high of 1091, where our target was already reached. Okay, so this was the trade what I have done for the day on Tata Consumer, and this trade was done by my strategy. Okay, so if you guys want to learn this strategy and want to learn how to pick the stocks like this and how to make accurate profitable trades like this, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, the course prices are very reasonably priced and you get everyday live market personal support as well. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. Okay, so now let's talk about the Nifty 50 momentum for the day. So if you guys can see here, this is the Nifty 50 chart for the day, and the market has also performed in a bullish way for the day. Okay, and it has closed at 0.16% up. Okay, but yes, if you see in a percentage wise, you will feel that it is not much of a bullish movement. But if we see the chart in depth, we can see that the market throughout the day it has gone in an upside. Okay, so I'll tell you how this happened. Today the pre-open market was down. Okay, so the market got opened at 0.5% down, 0.51% down. The advanced stocks were only 4 and declines were 42 and unchanged were 4 stock. So by seeing this, you will come to know that it was a bearish market for the day. Overall, the opening was only the bearish part, and later you can see how good the Nifty 50 has taken a support at 23350. So this point was very important point for the day, because you can see 215 minutes candle have taken good support here, and from here the market was giving a very good bull move. So we can see that it has recovered what it has opened at minus 0.51% down. So the bearish opening has been recovered and then the market has pushed up. So that's the reason why we see good kind of bullish momentum in the chart. And if you see just the overall view by percentage change like this, we'll see only 0.16% up. So it's not like that. So this bull move has helped all the stock go up today. Okay, so most of the stocks were performed in a bullish view for the day. Now let's talk about the indices, how it has performed. So we'll talk about the main sectoral indices. We'll not go for full in-depth analysis. We'll see about main sectoral indices, how it has performed. But if you see the sectoral indices, you can see a lot of them are closing in a bearish side for the day. Only few indices are closing in an upper side, that too not much of a upper side. You can see here Nifty FMGC is one of them, 0.72% up. Nifty Financial Service again 0.53% up, and Nifty Auto has performed well today with 0.87% up. Okay, and you can see even Nifty Consumer Durable 0.75% up, and all the other indices are in a downside for the day. If you guys can see, Nifty Media has declined a lot today, minus 1.87% down. So however, we were trading on Tata Consumer stock today, and as it was one of our Nifty consumer product stock, so that's the reason why even this has gone in a bullish view today, and even the stock has performed in a bullish view. So yes, this is how the stock has performed, and this was how I was able to trade for the day. So if you guys want to learn all these things in depth about stock selection, the strategy, what I applied and everything, you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you all the things, and also you will be getting the live market guidance as well. Okay, so you can communicate with me by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to know more about this. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.